Hi guys, here is how you can get all the information about your following request, who unfollowed you and more on Instagram. First open the Instagram app, tap here to go to your profile, then tap on these three lines. Then go to Account Center, then tap on Your Information and Permissions, then tap on Download Information. Tap on Download or Transfer Information. Choose whether it is for Facebook or Instagram. I will choose Instagram and Next. You can choose to download all available information or select what you want to download. I will choose some of your information. Now choose what information you want to download. For now, I will go to Connections and choose Contacts and Followers and Following. You can choose any information you want. Anyway, tap Next. I will choose Download to Device. You can also choose the date range. I will choose All Times, Save. Leave everything to default. This quality may not be valid for finding followers, so I will leave this to default. And tap on Create Files. This will take some time. You will get notified when the information is ready. So our file is ready. It took about 6 to 7 hours. Anyway, you need to navigate to the same location and tap on Download. Enter your Instagram password and download. Download is done. In an iPhone, go to Files and then tap on Downloads. So here is the zip file, tap on it. So here is the summary, and you can find all the details here about contacts and your following or unfollowing list, and this is in the HTML format. Hope this video was useful. Thank you very much.